Guys, in today's video I'm gonna give you idea about how to use the Zoom meeting filters, even how to use it and even how to remove it as well. So for this you need to open your Zoom app first. So you can see on the screen I have already opened my Zoom app, and yes, you can use the filter right up before. You can even set up for all the meetings, or even you can change during the meeting. I will just give you idea about the both. If you want to go add the filter before the meeting, then you can just go over there and just click in the settings. After that you can see there's a general video audio share, and just click in the background and filters. So when you go there backgrounds and filter, you'll see the virtual backgrounds, and by the side you can see there is a video filters. So what you need to do here is just click in the video filters and choose the filters that you want to use. So let's click here. If you just click here, you can see that the filter is already applied over there. Just if you want to change, then go accordingly. Yes, you choose accordingly and things will get changed. Now you can see it is already changed over there. So, or if you want to remove, just click in the none. But let's apply one of it and just all. And yes, this is how guys you can easily use the Zoom filters, right? So you can do this during your Zoom meeting. So how you do, let's do it. So for this you need to join a meeting, but right now I'm going to start a meeting. Okay, let's wait for a few more seconds. Now you can see that the filter is already used, because that was the previously I was already set up. So I'm already inside in the meeting hall, and you can see the filter is always the same, but even I can change during inside the meeting hall. So what you need to do here is there's a video options. So by the side of that video option there is an up arrow. Just click over here. When you click here, you'll get the video setting and choose video filter. So what you need to do is just click over here, and yes, you can see that it's opening again. The same setting is opening from here also, and now you can simply do the previous steps, like just select the required filters or the desired filters that you want to apply. So just you can go accordingly. Yeah, and if you just want to remove it, or then just click in the none. So guys, this is how you can use the filters in your Zoom app. So I hope this video is useful for you guys, and guys, if you have anything to write, just write down in the comment box below. Bye bye everyone, see you in next video.